When I met you, I fell in love with you. Just the way you walk, the way you talk, I love everything about you, baby. I remember the day when I met you. You look at me as if there's no other. Ooh, it is complicated. We have our own life to live. As time has passed, our path has crossed again. That's when I knew, baby, I love you, always and forever. I promise you, we'll always be together forever. Through weakness and strength, happiness and sorrows, I will always love you. So here we are, face to face, in heart to heart. After all we've been through, all the time you spent talking on the phone, ooh, we're finally here in one place together. That's when I knew, baby, I love you, always and forever. I promise you, we'll always be together forever. Through weakness and strength, happiness and sorrows, I will always love you. And that's when I knew, baby, I love you, always and forever. I promise you, we'll always be together forever. Through weakness and strength,